London.
Staff working for a chain of superstores called The Range have told BBC London they're terrified of catching coronavirus following the company's decision to stay open during lockdown. The retailer says it's tightly adhering to the law and safety guidelines. Liana Huzia reports.
Basic necessities, retail therapy, or maybe both? At this branch of The Range, some customers were stocking up on essentials, others buying arguably less vital supplies, including this man with a new gas barbecue and a member of staff close at hand. One shopper who'd gone in for groceries was unhappy.
I was in there a few minutes and I've walked out without my bread and milk because it's just so busy in there. You can't help but walk into people, and I imagine it's a nightmare for the staff. I felt really uncomfortable.
The Range has been allowed to stay open because it does sell essentials, but staff have told the BBC they're feeling vulnerable. One worker said as time went on, people had done a lot of their stockpiling and were coming back for wallpaper, paint, cushions and flower displays for their living room, all sorts of things which weren't essential. And another told us those people on tills have possibly got someone with underlying health problems at home and they're having to serve you for something unnecessary. I'm scared. I'm terrified. Okay. The Range was founded by tycoon Chris Dawson. His spokesperson said the store was tightly adhering to all social distancing government guidance and had taken a range of measures such as perspex till sneeze screens, extra regular store sanitisation and personal protective equipment. This past week has seen other big chains such as B&Q reopen some stores. One senior politician is asking the government to clarify the shopping rules.
I really don't think it's good enough for staff to be put in danger for things that most of us wouldn't consider essential. But the government has to be clearer, and it also has to give powers that the health and safety executive can work with the trade unions, can work with the businesses themselves to say, you've got to protect your staff. If you don't, we will take action against you.
We visited Range stores and saw social distancing being enforced, although in busy aisles at this London branch there were lapses. And at this store we were directed to spray our hands with what turned out to be household surface cleaner. The Range says it was supposed to be used on trolleys and baskets only, and that it's now changed its procedures. It says it's proud of the measures it has taken, but its policies, and those of many other retailers, are under increasing scrutiny. Liana Huzia, BBC London.